In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link for your photos and folders. Let's get started by helping you share your precious memories and important documents with friends, family, or colleagues in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Google Drive homepage by opening your preferred web browser and entering the website address, or simply use a shortcut if you've got one set up. Once you've landed on the Google Drive main page, you should see all your documents, photos, and folders neatly laid out. Take a moment to find the photo or folder you want to share. You can either scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. After locating your file, the next step is to select the photo or folder. You can do this by clicking once on the thumbnail or the name. Selected items typically highlight, making it obvious which file or folder you've chosen. If you're sharing more than one item, remember that you can use the Control key on your keyboard if you're in a hurry and want to select multiple files without losing your existing selections. With your desired item selected, look for a small icon resembling a person with a plus sign next to it, usually located at the top right of your Drive interface. This is the Share option. Click on this icon to open up the sharing menu. This is where the magic happens, allowing others to access your files. A window will appear with various sharing options. The key thing you want to look for here is the Get Link section. Within this part of the menu, you will see the option that determines how your link is shared. Ensure the setting is adjusted to anyone with the link. This setting is crucial as it determines who can view your file. When you set it to anyone with the link, it means just that. Anyone who has the link can view the file or folder. It's a perfect option if you're sharing with people who might not have a Google account. However, remember that this setting allows anyone who has the link to access your content, so it's wise to use this setting carefully, especially with sensitive data. Once you've confirmed this setting, the next step is to click on Copy Link. This button is usually found nearby, and with just one click, the link to your file is copied to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into emails, messages, or social media, whatever platform you're using to share your content. Finally, remember that this same process applies when sharing a folder. Just select the folder instead of a photo, follow the same steps, and you'll have a shareable link in no time. It's that straightforward. It's a simple yet powerful way to share your files with ease, offering versatile ways to collaborate and connect.